Hello guys, hope you're well everyone. So today I have an interesting topic. You have always listened about the life cycle of sun, life cycle of flower, life cycle of seed, or life cycle of plant. But today I have an interesting topic related to the space, and that's about the life cycle of star. There is also life cycle of sun. Maybe you are listening it first time and it is like looking a new topic. But not sorry, there is really life cycle of star, how the stars become and how. So let's me going to my picture, then explaining you. Let's go. Okay, so in picture you can see a life cycle of a star. So however, let's go. So as here you can see a purple and red type of it's looking like a virus, but it's not a virus. It is called a stellar nebula, which is the birthplace of the star. A star begins in a huge cloud of gas and dust, and gravity pulls the gas together. And second one here, you can see a protostar. You can see here protostar. It's looking like a Jupiter, but Jupiter is not shining, but it's is shining. Okay, so maybe yeah, you can see like this sun, a protostar. It's the gas start heating up and forming a baby star. Like it forms a baby star, and after this stage is like a growing star. We can say like it's a stage where stars growing. However, this was what about like two stars. Okay, was a stage how they start. But after this, you can see here uh, it is dividing into two parts. The one part is here path, and second path is here. Why it is like distributing it into two parts? So actually, after these, the stellar nebula and stellar protostar, we have two possibilities. Like we can say possibility means there can be a path 1, like this will be path 1, path 2. Okay, now in let's talk about this path 1. Okay, if we take this one path 1 and path 2. So in the path 1, it can be like after protostar, it can be a path 1 or path 2. In path 1, it can be a simple average star, like the star shine normally for a million or a billions of the year, like average star. We called that average star. Now, you can see here a red giant star. Red giant. It is looking like a Mars, but it is not actually Mars. It is a stage of Mars, which is star, which is called a red giant. The star gets bigger and cooler. Here, the star after this have an planetary nebula. Okay, planetary nebula, the outer layer float away into space. Okay, and after this, you can see here we have a white dwarf. Like we can say this is the last stage of a star. Okay, only a small hot core left, and this is the final and the last stage in the path one, like possibility one. It can be the last stage. Now we have a path 2. Okay, let's talk about path 2. Now in the path 2, we can have a massive star. Massive star means uh, it is a little bit bigger than a average star. You can see it is bigger than this star. So a much bigger and hotter star. This will little bit hot and big star. After this, we have a red supergiant, like red supergiant, and in this it's become extremely large. You can see here this one stage of a star is larger than these all of the stages of the stars. That's why this is called a red supergiant, and it's become a really extremely large. And here you can see a complete star form, like you see completely you see in the sky. You always see stars in the sky like this. Okay, so the star, this is a supernova. Okay, the star explode with a huge blast, and after once more we have two possibilities. Okay, this is the after this the completely star blast. And then like here we were having a two paths, one here, and as I'm like this in path 2 we have also two paths. Okay, after a supernova it can be a neutron star or it can be a black hole. It can convert. Okay, so this is a neutron star which you are seeing like a satellite, or yeah, it is looking like a satellite. And after this it can be converted into a black hole. So this was a complete life cycle of the star, how the star become and how the star ends in its life. Okay, thank you for watching.